The Samsung Galaxy A55 along with the Galaxy A35 will be unveiled on March 11, but a Belgian telecom spoiled the surprise and listed the Galaxy A55 on its website with a full spec sheet and a couple of official images. Most of the specs are already known, but this is probably the best confirmation we could get. Let's go through the specs listed on the website once again. The device is running on an Exynos 1480 SoC paired with 6GB RAM and 12GB storage, although previous rumors indicate that memory could go up to 12GB storage and can be expanded via micro SD card of up to 1TB. The display is now a tad larger than the A54, measuring 6.6 inch in diagonal and of course uses an OLED panel with a centered punch hole for the selfie camera. The camera setup on the back is unchanged from the Galaxy A54, that is 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide shooter and 5 megapixel macro camera. At the front is a 32 megapixel snapper for selfie. The Galaxy A55 also retains the 5000 mAh battery but will boost Android 14 out of the box. With this leak in place, there's not a lot to uncover during the scheduled Samsung event except for prices. We hope to learn more about soon enough. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.